Hi all. So we're back. I think we found the trail that may lead to that waterfall. It's pretty steep. Listen to the birds. Now they're quiet, of course. We'll go down here a little bit. I do have to get some of my videos and photos off my phone because it's showing I don't have enough space. So we'll see how long this video will go. Wait, it's really steep. I'm not wearing the best of shoes, as you can see. I'm just not sure. I've never been here. And this is Trinidad, above the beach part of it. Hello. Is there a waterfall down there?
Yeah. There's like a whole river that goes down.
How far down is it?
It's if you go, is your dog friendly?
Yes.
If you go down, just like keep following this path, and then you can either go to the beach because it has beach access, or you can turn, and then you land on the waterfall.
Okay.
There's gonna be like a divot that goes this way.
Okay, and it's safe to hike?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, cool.
Well, I haven't hiked in about a month, but
Oh.
the last time it was fine.
How long? You said a month. Okay. So I'm not wearing the best of shoes, but.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thank you. All right. So we're gonna see. Yeah, this looks like a better trail than what we were on earlier. Kind of sketchy trails. That's really cool, guys. Look at that. Wow. And with the sun setting. Beautiful. I do hear it. Oh, there's a bridge. Look, guys. There's a bridge. So maybe. Ooh, that's cool. Like a little cave and a tree stump. All right. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully your phone doesn't say, nope, you have not enough storage. But yeah, there plant restoration in this area. It's good to see that another person was on the trail. Oh my goodness, guys, look. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Oh, kinda. All right, let's see if we can make it before our phone says you don't have enough storage. I think at this moment in time, I'm going to invest in getting cloud storage because I'm beginning to make more videos and I love taking pictures. And some of them I want to save. Wow, it's so beautiful, all the ferns. Look at the redwoods up there. It's just gorgeous. I don't know the name of this creek, but it's the one, if you look back on some of Chloe and my videos, we were actually sitting in the middle of this creek on a rock, had my feet in the water. She was in my lap. And this is a creek that runs all the way out to the ocean. Look at the moss on that tree. Isn't that awesome, guys? Wow. Wow. I think those are wild roses right there. White ones. So amazing. So beautiful, guys. So exciting to be on a new trail. Even though we're not backpacking right now, it's still exploring. I just don't know how far. Definitely getting closer. We'll see. All right, Chloe went around my legs. And there's the ocean right out there. Okay, if you look down, you can see the creek. We may have to come back for this one, guys. I'm not sure how far it goes. Just listen to that surf. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure this one out, guys. But definitely there's a waterfall over there, and I'm not sure how to get to it. And we're not going down that, not in flip-flops. But this is going to be an upcoming adventure, guys. Let's go see if we can see that waterfall from the top portion of where we were with that bridge. And then Chloe's really hungry, so we gotta get her home. Oh, there's a little bit of a waterfall right there. If you can see it. Yes, I forgot my selfie stick, but a little one. See, this is also Bigfoot country too. Yeah, right there. Little waterfall. All right. So consider this scouting, a new area to explore. And I will be wearing, I'm not sure what these are. It's kind of cool. I know, Chloe, you're hungry. We're heading home. It's getting later. They smell so good too. Look at that. They're closing up for the night. All right. Well, please like, subscribe with this video right here. We're gonna go find that waterfall. It's right over there. I just need to find the right trail to get to it. Even if we have to bushwhack. That is so cool with the moss on the lawn. But I'm wearing the appropriate shoes when we do so. But it's just beautiful. Okay, so this down there is where that waterfall is. Somewhere over there. You can hear it. Let's see. Look how thick that tree. Wow, that's beautiful. Chloe's like, I'm done, Mommy. I'm tired. Okay, there's a view, more of the creek. Let's see here. Just amazing, guys. So looking forward to so many adventures to share with you, bring you along, and hopefully be able to have live chats with you all. Just simply, there's a there's a super sketchy trail right there. Really steep, drops off, but that's the waterfall down there. Yeah, we're another day. Many adventures to come. And it's only 5 minutes away from where I live, guys. That's the most amazing part of the whole thing. It's 5. This is skunk cabbage, and they produce these yellow flowers, but they smell like their namesake, like a skunk. And they grow here in Humboldt County where it's wet, moist. Maybe other places, I don't know. But it's the first time I've ever seen them when I moved here. Skunk cabbage. Look at that tree. Wow. All the way up to the top. And that waterfall is just right over there. But we don't need to take a chance of slipping and falling because someone did not wear the right shoes. That root system is amazing. So yes, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload adventure videos. Because Chloe and I, we will be adventuring a lot this year. Short ones, long ones, we don't know yet. Life is an adventure. With that said, gotta get back up these steep stairs, or steps, then get Chloe home, get her some dinner, And I work at Taco Bell tonight. Ooh, boy, these are... And I'm out of shape. Whew. We're taking the side here. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Another adventure coming up soon. Find that waterfall. And again, picnic day use area with fire pits you can cook on. But I'll be bringing my own little mini barbecue. Got bathroom. On the other side, there's a shower. Now, outside shower. A sand shower is what they call it. Chloe might not like it. Let's see. It works. No, must be turned off. All right, you guys. Love you all. Appreciate you all. And again, leave me a positive comment. Where do you like to explore? What do you like to do to keep yourself motivated? I gotta get her some water too. If you're battling depression, anxiety, and stress, how do you manage it? That is beautiful. The ocean right there blends in with the sky. Anyway, it's a beautiful little area here. Have a good night, y'all. Bye.